What's up, YouTube? Let's get some new stuff in for the Hellcat. Got some carbon fiber mirror caps and handles, door handles. I'll show you guys how to put that on. Door handles, especially, because some might not know how to do it. But currently, I wrapped them, but I don't like the way it looks. Didn't turn out right. On the corners, it's a wrinkled. You can see. Like from here, you can't tell what's good, but kind of picky, so it looks kind of. To me, it looks bad, but yeah. And I wrapped the gas tank. Gas tank came on good. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so I'm gonna get to it and show you guys what it's up next. You just turn to the left to make it loose. And if it's loose enough, you want to make sure you leave the door open or the windows down. If not, the door will get stuck. Turn to the left. Here it is, comes right out. Okay, like I said, I wrapped it. Don't like the way it looks, so I'll tear that off. Set it up for now. Take the front off. Front one is a little difficult. As you go through, not difficult, but it's a little bit more involved than the back. You see, I can see right there, it's already loose. Should be loose enough. But go one time. Not quite yet. Wire. drops off back there. Right there. Like I said, make sure I leave your door open. I'm gonna peel this wrap off. It's good from the front, it's just the sides. Terrible. Yeah. This one off, just the back one I got to peel off. I mean, I look good, but it's just really on there. Probably should have heated it up, but the heat got to be easier to peel off. Slowly but surely. Next, you wanna rub with some isopropyl alcohol, 70%. Get it clean, get some of that tape off. Although it might help with the door caps to make it stick on better. To leave it kind of sticky. Let's see. Wipe it off. I also got that too. Get the license plate cover, carbon fiber. Alright, it's dry. Let's put the front one on. You know it's the front because it has the open tab right there to lock it. Lock the door handle. Grab it. So easy to do one-handed. Yeah, looks good. Put that down there, let it heal in there. I'll do the back. both done. Now it's time for the cap. There's no dust or anything gets in it. Actually, let me get the alcohol thing. Wipe off the front first. It's probably dirty. Look at that paint. Looks real bright in the camera, but in person it's like, it's way dark. Way darker than that. There's no bugs on here. There's something right here. It's clean. This is going fun. Let's see if I can get this on right. Ooh, that one goes on. Voila, it's done. Ain't going on. I'll test it when I'm driving, make sure it don't fall off. Pray for me. Alright, so that's that. I'll flip it to when we go outside and go on a drive. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can put these handles on. Just be extra. Start the back first. Alright, let's put these caps on, start the back. Try to get it in there first, make sure the door don't close on you. Switch hands here. In there. I want to at least hold it for a little bit until I feel it click in. Alright, it's in there. Plastic tab. Put that back in there. Front end. Clip that back in. That. I'll see y'all when we get on the road. Show y'all what it looked like. Alright, back. That's what it looked like outside. Excuse the wind noise, a little windy. Yeah, they look good though. Only things I added since I got it, so I had to got it in September. I added LED side markers, of course the caps and the door handles. So, let's see if I shoot it. What's on there? Tinted tail lights. And 5-inch tips, carbon exhaust tips. Like I said, wrapped the gas tank cover. And that's pretty much it. I didn't do nothing else to it. So I had the car for 2 months now. What's that called? Had to fix that quiet exhaust. I got tired, it was a little too quiet. Yeah, I like the supercharger whine, but it was too quiet, so I started with C. Not quite a cold start. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I had this in the front. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take the pieces off slowly but surely, but because I don't like the way it turned out. Other than that, nothing else. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about the car. And any additions you think I should add that I haven't thought of, that I may not have thought of, let me know. Alright, peace.